In traditional incandescent light bulbs, a tungsten filament emits light, which glows under electric current. The electric current causes the tungsten atoms to vibrate and release part of their vibrational energy by emitting photons. The glass bulb is filled with inert gas, noble gases or nitrogen gas, because if exposed to oxygen in the air, the tungsten filament would burn almost instantly after switching the light on. Incandescent light bulbs have low energy efficiency. Only about 2% of the power consumed is emitted as visible light. Their lifespan is about 1,000 hours. In compact fluorescent bulbs, the electrodes emit electrons. The tube is filled with noble gases and mercury atoms. These are excited by the electrons and emit invisible shortwave UV photons. The inner wall of the tube is covered with a fluorescent coating, which absorbs UV photons and releases visible photons instead. Mercury atoms emit photons because the electrons excite them. They are raised to a higher energy level, and then, on falling back, they release some of their energy in the form of UV light. This is then converted to visible light by the fluorescent inner coating of the tube. Compared to traditional incandescent light bulbs, compact fluorescent tubes have little heat loss. Therefore, they are more energy efficient. A 20-watt CFL tube emits as much light as a traditional 100-watt light bulb. Its lifespan is about 10,000 hours, 10 times the lifespan of an incandescent light bulb. The principle of operation of a halogen lamp is the same as that of traditional incandescent bulbs. A tungsten filament glows under current, thus emitting light. Their lifespan is longer than that of incandescent light bulbs, as the noble gases filling the bulb contain halogen atoms. Tungsten atoms, evaporated by the heat, bond with halogen atoms. The resulting tungsten halides close to the filament break down due to the heat, and tungsten is deposited on the filament. This slows down the thinning of the filament and increases the lifespan of the bulb. The temperature of the filament can also be increased, which results in greater energy efficiency. In LED bulbs, light is emitted by LED chips. LED bulbs used for interior lighting contain more LED chips to achieve sufficient brightness. An LED chip consists of two semiconductor layers, which contain freely moving charge carriers. In the N layer, these are electrons, while in the P layer, they are positively charged holes. Under electric current, the charge carriers move. When electrons meet holes, energy is released as photons. Light-emitting diodes have a lifespan of about 100,000 hours, 100 times the lifespan of traditional light bulbs. Their energy efficiency is very good. A 4-watt LED bulb emits as much light as a 100-watt incandescent light bulb. LED bulbs offer the most cost-saving and most environmentally friendly type of lighting.